Hi, I'm Deb Herdman. For the past 7 years, I've been helping families solve toddler sleep issues. Using our play and music therapy, today I wanted to show you Sleepyhead Ted, our play resource. Kids love Ted, and that makes bedtime a happier experience for everyone. You start every sleep with Ted naked and play peekaboo. Peekaboo. Then it's time to get Ted and your toddler into his pajamas. Hugs and cuddles come next. Nigh, Lullaby is our music therapy. Used together, your toddler will be sleeping independently in no time. Hi, I'm Deb Herdman and I'm here with part 2 of our play therapy sleep video. After working with families of toddlers for years, one thing I know is that their behaviours are similar and predictable. Your toddler will love Sleepyhead Ted right from the start, or two things might happen. Firstly, they may refuse to participate with Ted right from the beginning, or after a day or two they might decide not to participate at all. Rest assured, we have come across these issues and we know exactly how to deal with them. We know some toddlers and preschoolers are very clued up as to getting what they want when they want it. We also know from past experience that parents report excellent results, but then on day 2 or 3 of the sleep and play therapy system, their child refuses to cooperate. This usually means the toddler knows they are sleeping and have likely had some attention about that, but they actually don't want to go to sleep at all. They may even say they hate the Nigh music or Ted or both. Sometimes they may refuse to interact with Ted right from the day one. And that's okay too, because I'm going to tell you exactly how to fix this situation. Here's what you should do. Firstly, continue with the system. Your cluey toddler will soon realise you are the one in control of the sleep situation. Secondly, any refusals to participate in the play therapy may involve tantrums, screaming, crying, or other attention behaviours. We advise you not to become drawn into this behaviour and ignore it unless your toddler is at risk of harm. Your focus is on having fun with Sleepyhead Ted. You will play the game of getting him into his PJs, and you'll play peekaboo whilst your toddler is in the background. There's some psychology behind this, and I assure you toddlers do not like to miss out on any action, especially if they're not the centre of attention. As you direct your attention to Ted, it's important for you to have some conversations so your toddler sees you are really focused on the task of playing. Hello Ted, it's time to get ready for bed. Let me help you. What a good boy you are getting your pajamas on, and don't you look nice? Do you want to play a game of peekaboo? Go through the motions of having a nice time playing with Ted. Then complete the game by asking Ted to give you a lovely cuddly hug, just like I showed you in the previous video. Your unwilling participant at this stage, even in the midst of a tantrum, will be listening to the conversation and seeing the fun interaction you're having with Ted. Your toddler will likely want to be a part of the peekaboo game. Don't force them to join in the fun, and keep calm, even if they are still having a temper tantrum. If they have a favourite sleep time bear or toy or blanket, make sure they have that too. The interaction with Sleepyhead Ted is designed to change the perception of stress around sleep and change bedtime from being stressful to becoming a positive experience. It's important to be consistent, as sometimes it takes time for toddlers to accept new and unfamiliar behaviours. Ted's purpose is to become your toddler's new go-to when they transition between sleep cycles. Seeking Ted as a comfort means they can easily return to deeper sleep without waking you. Remember, Ted only comes out at sleep time and then hibernates. Sweet dreams from Deb Herdman.